Beard Mail from Magic City. Let's get right into this. So, got some more stuff from Magic City. What's up, Jay Cruz? What's up, Mac with the cheese? How you guys doing? Got some Magic City Beard Mail. All right, got epic sticker. You can see a couple Magic City stickers right there. Wait. One there. Yeah, see. So, and here we got a bunch of stuff. Unboxing now. More Magic City. Unscented beard butter. So I finally have an unscented oil, butter, and balm, which would be cool. So there's any scent. Unscented, so there shouldn't be. Nope, 0 scent whatsoever. That's awesome. And then if you haven't seen my last unboxing on Magic City, it's up on YouTube now. That's what the butter looks like. Really nice butter. I actually have little Havana in beard today. Really nice scent. And we got the unscented beard balm in case I want to mix it with a scented oil. Should be very helpful. I haven't tried Magic City's balm yet, but I've heard good things about it. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Got the 2-ounce container. It's funny. What's up, Chad? It looks so much smaller compared to the butter. Hilarious. All right, next. Ooh, we got that new. This is the new scent from Magic City, Old Cutler. So it's a leather cologne type scent. Ooh. What's up, Liam? Yeah, so one thing with Australia, it does kind of freeze up during shipping. Oh, that's a good scent. I like that a lot. I also got that in the butter as well, which I believe is right in here. Yep. It's got some beard mail, Liam. Old Cutler butter. I love this butter. It's got some hold to it, but it's also like conditioning and all that kind of stuff. Oh, that's a good scent. Yeah, so it's smooth leather cologne. So Ken Bluegrass Bearded unveiled this on his channel recently. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. Go show Ken some love, and also subscribe if you haven't already, because he's almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is really cool. Yeah, so that's the Old Cutler butter. We've got one more oil. Yeah, got the unscented oil. Yeah, what's everybody got in beard? Let me know. And this will also be on YouTube, so if you're watching this on YouTube, let me know what's in beard. Cool. Yeah, and then if you do want to check out Magic City, I have a non-affiliate 10% discount code, the Truth 10. It'll save you 10%. What's up, Vato? How you doing? Whoa, what's up? What's up, Mike? What's up, Don? Got some Magic City in. So this is the unscented oil. Got the whole unscented lineup because I don't have. Get a hold of me. Ooh, will do. What's up, Cribs? Yeah, so there's the unscented lineup, and then there's the Old Cutler oil and butter. So yeah, that's box 1, and then get a hold of me after this. Box 2. How you doing, Vato? Cribs, how you doing? Let me know what y'all up to in the chat. Another sticker. Love me some stickers. And then we got South Beach Beard Butter. This is a fresh citrus cologne. What's up, Jason? Let's see what this one's up. because Old Cutler is a leather, like a leather cologne. Oh, that's a good smell. Wow, yeah, I like that a lot. That's South Beach, another cologne type scent. I like that a lot. And then we got South Beach Oil. Come on. I think every time I've opened so many beard oils, and I would still struggle with got me out. Mike's products coming this way. Amazing. Yep, I now have the. I think we were talking about that. I now have the whole Magic City lineup in house. Yeah, Swag. You're not going to be disappointed. It's good stuff. I like it a lot. Definitely would recommend to anybody who hasn't tried Magic City yet. Alright, and then that's the South Beach oil. How's the butter? Or Atlantis butter last night? Ooh, good call. So I'll show you what the butter looks like, actually, while we're talking about it. It's got a little bit of hold, but not so much that it's a balm. And it's definitely nourishing. I think between this and a meeting. No stress. Yeah, facts. Yeah, it's like easy to scoop out, but gives some hold. Like, I have it in right now, and it's got some hold, but it's not like balm type hold. It's awesome. Like one of my favorite butters that I've used. Yeah, and then we got Vizcaya. What's up, George? How you doing? What's up, Slack Squatch? Mr. Cold Slack. So that's Vizcaya. So we got lavender, orange, eucalyptus, sandalwood, chamomile, and vanilla. So I didn't know this is going to be an epic bedtime scent. Oh. Wow. Yeah, so I definitely get the orange, but then definitely the lavender and the eucalyptus pops in there too, with the I think hints of sandalwood, vanilla in the background. That's nice. Yeah, that might be the new bedtime scent for the foreseeable future. Should be one more oil buried in here. There it is. Yep. And then that's the get this plastic off here. There it is. Cool. What's up, Cheesehead? Just wrapping up, unboxing some Magic City. The rest of the scent lineup. Picked this up recently. If you buy from Magic City, don't use UPS because they're horrible. So expensive. Yeah, and there's this guy. Oh, what's up, Ardius Man? Welcome to the stream. I just for everybody watching, I just dropped a review on Ardius Man on YouTube. So feel free to check that out. Hiding in the bottom. We're good. All right. Alright, so we got Vizcaya, oil and butter, Old Cutler, oil and butter. What's up, Big Fat Beard? How you doing? We got the Unscented Trio, oil, balm, butter for those unscented days, and then we got South Beach. You go check that out. Yeah, it's I can also send you the link as well to my review. Yeah, I think it's about 10 or 11 minutes long. Not super long, but just to the point, effective, talk about everything. Yeah, so got the rest of the Magic City squad in the house.